The Welding NC I SMAW qualification consists of competencies that a person must achieve to weld carbon steel plates. Components are specified by layout, blueprints, diagrams, work order, welding procedure or oral instructions using small welding equipment. Basic competencies: receive and respond to workplace communication, work with others, demonstrate work values, practice basic housekeeping procedures. Common competencies: apply safety practices, interpret drawings and sketches, perform industry calculations, contribute to quality system, use hand tools, prepare weld materials, set up welding equipment, fit up weld materials, repair welds. Core competencies: weld carbon steel plates using shielded metal arc welding. Possible job opportunities: plate welder, fabricator welder, grills, fence, furniture, structural welder, building, foreman welder.